Alright guys, I'm gonna do a countdown. When it's 0, we walk in a circle in the middle.
Get your food buff healers once you're in.
5,
You cannot leave the circle.
2, 1.
Let's go.
Get your food buff.
Alright, so I'm gonna put a skull on Boodle's head. Where I'm looking at, that's quadrant 1, okay? And where I'm looking at here is quadrant 7. So I might call quadrant, just look around and you'll see. So there's a skelly there.
Is 4.
There you go. Kill the skellies, kill the skellies. As soon as a Banshee spawns, I'm gonna put a skull on it, and all the range need to focus down skull.
Remember,
So it starts
don't leave
slow.
the circle. Go ahead.
Start slow, it's gonna pick up. Don't fall behind at any point.
It's easier to stay ahead than it is to catch up. Abomination coming. Melee wave.
Banshee is up. I put a skull on it. Don't go too far up. You gotta stay in the circle.
Don't pull aggro on these A-bombs, they will one-shot you.
Stun.
You ain't one-shot me with 10k health.
Warlocks. I need COE and COS on the Banshees. Every Banshee, there's a Skelly. Kill these Skellies. If they get to the raid, we die. So, Dilly and Fenlock, Curse of Shadow, and Curse of Elements on the Banshee. There's another Banshee's up.
Can't go near that Skelly.
Do not leave the circle.
Stay in the circle, guys. There's no rush.
come
There's
to
no
us.
reason to go there.
If we wait because someone left the circle, it's going to be really dumb. Just wait.
Curse of Shadow on Skull, please.
It's out of range.
Okay, that's fine.
I got brought really close to the edge.
So healers, again, make sure you're helping out on the Skellies.
Rank 1 frost shock them.
Banshee behind that abomination coming in.
I am walking.
Let it come in.
Skull, there's another Banshee.
Let it come
Stay in
in.
the green circle.
Bring it in. It's too far out.
With hitbox.
Don't be
Guys.
impatient, guys. Let the mobs come to us.
Skelly.
Yeah, if you see Skelly close, just let us know.
Pull out the gun and start blasting, boys.
Range
Come
should
on.
not be attacking any abominations, by the way.
Do the A-bombs cleave?
No.
No.
And they're
Let it come into
stunnable.
the circle.
If
Banshee
Cypher
right
says
as
a
KT.
deviate, we should give him a deviate.
I marked the next Banshee. Blow it up.
You guys are moving way far out of the circle.
Yeah. The mages, it doesn't matter if you don't get the first fireball off. I need Curse of Element faster than that on Banshees, guys. It's 10% damage for every mage.
Let the abomination come. Range, don't attack abominations. Keep on skellies.
We're more likely to fall behind on skeletons than A-bombs. So like,
Skeleton.
New Banshee, Quadrant 2.
Do you want Curse of Wreck on the A-bombs?
No. If you can, if you have time, it's fine, but
Okay.
you need to be
They're
careful.
melting. Just do ranged. Don't worry about them. They're melting.
New Banshee, I marked it, Quadrant 5. Focus down these Skellies. Don't want to get overwhelmed by them. Healers help out on the Skellies. Curse of Element on Skull. We're gonna get a new Banshee, it's in Quadrant 1. When you're done with that one, turn around and kill it.
Let it come in, guys. You're still
Yeah,
getting it too far out. Don't stun it when it's out there. Let it be
I
in the
tried to
green
drag out
circle.
as a thorn.
If we stay out there, the skeletons creep up and kill us.
Get the Skellies.
Got you, dog. I got you. That's what these waters are for, man.
Let
There's
it
a
in.
new
Stop
Banshee
going.
in Quadrant 5.
Can we get less people talking?
Yeah, only me should be talking pretty much here. New Banshee Quadrant 5 with a skull on it. Get the Skellies first. Skellies need to die first. Curse of Element. Good job on the Curse of Element and Shadow, that's great.
Another Banshee to the right.
Yeah, so the quadrant just to the right, after you're done killing that one, kill the new skull. Make sure you keep killing these Skellies. Healers help out on the Skellies. You'll be fine mana-wise, I promise. Curses on skull. Let's go. There's a new Banshee, Quadrant 2. When you're done with the one you're killing, you're switching to Quadrant 2. Kill these Skellies.
Stun.
Healers stay on top of these Skellies. Casters, Quadrant 2 for the new Banshee. The Skellies can get hidden behind the fat boys, so make sure you don't let them get past.
Another reason not to run out.
Banshee at 4.
I'm marking it. Skull, new Banshee. Stay on top of the Skellies. They're the most dangerous ones of all of these mobs, guys. Okay, we're entering phase 2 in 10 seconds.
Banshee to the left. 3.
Cypress, get ready to grab it.
I'll grab
Make
that
sure
one.
you stay in the red circle until all the Skellies are done, guys. Kill the Skellies. Watch for the Skellies. Don't spread out yet. Don't spread out yet.
Done.
If you're a bit disoriented, the throne is the upper side of the picture. Look at it one last
Okay.
time.
Kill the skull first. Okay, it's almost dead. Kill the other skull.
Get in your spots, melee.
Go to your spots. Everyone goes to their spots. Finish off the Banshee. Don't go too close to the Banshee. Angelas, get away from the Banshee. Shadow Fister.
Triangle needs
Max
to back
melee.
out. Triangle start. Back out to max range.
I can't hit it.
It's fine. Just go max melee range.
On top
Someone
of each other.
needs to
let's go.
fucking kick. Jesus.
Focus on kick, guys. Focus on kick.
So, only team captain call out their kicks.
Moon, or
stack
star
up.
kick, star kick.
Minor
Okay.
stack up. Minor
Moon
stack
next.
up.
Moon next. If you're in the moon group, you're kicking next.
Tomb, heal those people.
Heal the people. Chain heal.
Good job, Innes.
MC,
Okay.
hit escape.
Crowd control. Drop everything you're doing. Let the next tank
Stone
pick it up.
shield, Tegan. Stone
I
shield.
did.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Can you pick it up?
I have it.
I interrupted there. I need somebody to
Bernard,
get next.
heal Tegan.
Colin
Heal
will get
Tegan.
next. Colin will get next.
Keep healing Tegan. Big raid healing. Bandage yourself.
Somebody get next.
Go back to your spots. Star, moon, everything. Let's go. Go back to your
Warriors, make sure to
You're too
pop your
close,
AoE
Star.
fears, by the way.
Cypress, don't stack on Bernard. Be 10 yards from him.
I need Moon on Q, please.
Just
Okay.
stars in the wrong.
spots. Yeah, Star, you need to take a step to the right.
lost its mark.
So get on.
Alright, shut the fuck up. Only but
There
you.
comes, guys.
Okay, Baby Kush, what's your mark?
I'm Moon.
I'm out of range.
Okay. I put moon. Are you sure, or was that
Yeah,
Q?
I'm Moon. I'm north.
Okay, and
I
Q
wasn't
with.
the mark. It was Q, but
It's fine. It's fine. Fine.
Okay, you guys are at the same
Sure.
place.
I need to get closer.
Moon kick next.
Okay, bandage yourselves. Bandage yourselves.
Should we reprop Greater Frost?
Yes, absolutely. If you're melee, you spam that shit.
MC.
See?
Mind control. Drop tread. Drop tread. Help the crowd control.
Colin has
Heal
it.
Colin. Heal Colin. Heal Colin.
Colin Stone shield if you haven't.
Go backwards.
Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna go back dual wheel.
I
Okay,
need one
we're
more sheep. I'm holding two.
bandage. Bandage. Go ahead and bandage yourselves. Held stone if you have one.
Cypress needs a Wind Fury.
Chaos, can you drop that?
Yep.
That's still
Bandage yourself if you haven't. Refresh your greater frost potion. We're at 45%. We're gonna have to add soon. You guys need to maintain your spacing here. Heal Colin. Heal Colin. Priest, remember to shackle your ads.
I require aid.
If you're priest, you're shackling here. As soon
This
as
is where you want to burn, so you want to use your Death Wish
pop your
here.
cooldown. Recklessness, Death Wish. Heal Colin. Heal Colin.
Gotta
Move out
hold
of
it.
the red shed, guys. Photo shackling first ad. I marked it. Don't touch photo. Photo shackling.
Am I
spell.
the shackling?
Pop recklessness. Pop Death Wish. Pop your cooldown.
Yeah, pop your
Move,
cooldowns.
move, half night.
Go ham.
I got the other one.
Okay, shackle the other one. Off tanks. I need you to start picking up after that. All three shackles are down. I need an off tank on the loose ad there.
Bernard's coming.
ready yet.
I'll get wrap the other one.
Your soul is bound to
Heal the
melee.
ice block.
No melee.
The ice
Need
block.
backup shackle.
Bernardo
I got the
at
MC.
MC.
dark void await.
Okay,
Interrupted
priest start spamming shackles.
Call out next kick.
I cannot get next. Someone get next, please.
There's a guardian
Someone
loose.
Okay, perfect. I can
Keep
get
those
next.
shackles going. Keep the shackles going.
You
can only do a max of 3 shackles, so.
Quit.
Bernard.
Q, it's on you. You need a stone shield.
There's
Stay
one
Bernard.
Vito.
Heal
Don't
Q.
shackle any. Don't
Guy
shackle
was
anyone.
tanking. Heal Q.
Kick.
Someone get
Refresh
that.
shackles. Refresh shackles. Refresh shackles.
Melee, stop. Stay stacked, melee. Stop
Don't
running
shackle the
around.
one I'm tanking.
Keep your positions, melees.
Heal Q. Heal Q.
Q's tanking. Heal him.
Just burn him, just burn him.
Let's
Back,
go.
back.
There
There's
we
next
go.
kick. Next kick. Next kick.
GG.
Yo,
GG! GG!
Hungry and cold, holy
Oh,
shit.
no way.
Yeah, dude.
we get paid tonight, boys.